So I'm just out in the garden, I'm just setting a lawnmower up for a friend of mine. I thought I'd just show it while I'm out here. This is a little battery one by Einhell, which is a GECM 1833 Li. I'll actually put a link to this in the description of this YouTube video as well. This is probably the lightest thing I've ever lifted about. This is brilliant if you've got like a caravan or something like that. But it's really little, but 33cm cut, which is actually quite a bit wider than some of these that you get nowadays. So I've set this up, and it's very basic, but very light, very portable. I just wanted to show you around it as well, because it's got like the 5 height adjusters as well. You can alter these to all the different heights. So you've got front and rear height. Quick release handles on here as well. You can clip this cable down here. There's not really a lot to show, but there's got a grass bag with it. It might just be ideal for somebody who's looking for like a portable one. If you've got a caravan or like a static caravan or somewhere you want to just take it to quickly maintain something for someone and chuck it in the back of a car. This is really quite a nice little portable mower. So it's really easy to start up as well. Just press the button on the top, pull up the lever. Basically that's everything, but in here you've got your battery that goes in here. This can be used in different Einhell tools. It's one of these machines where you can pull the battery out and put it in like a chainsaw or hedge cutter. It's also got this key with it as well, so without the key this won't start. It's like a safety feature. You put the battery in, put the key in, press the button, pull the lever. Nice and easy. I'm probably going to hang on to this for myself, just for maybe cutting my front grass as well, because where I am I always have to move the cars out of the way to get out the gate, to do everything. So I might just keep this in my garage and just lift it over the top to do the front bit of my grass as well. So it's not a petrol lawnmower, it's just another really lightweight option. Probably if you wanted to take this and just look after someone else's property, help them out, take it to your caravan if you've got one of those. Nice tiny little option, and the battery can be used for other things as well. So as I said, quick video, there will be a link in the description to this mower as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again shortly.